In this video, we are going to see how you can create this highlighting text effect in CapCut easily with just a few steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So it's pretty simple. What you have to do is just go to the top option named text here, click on that, and let's insert a default text and extend the size to the size of the clip. Now let's double click on it, and on the right corner, just go to the text, and under the basic, I'll just remove this text. Now by default, it's white. So I'll change it to some other color so that I can see it properly. Let's say this one. And now remove the default text and write minus like this. Now let's scroll down, and under the spacing option, I'll reduce the spacing to -2 or -3. Now just scroll up, change the color. Let's say I want to highlight it in yellow. So just choose that color. Now again, scroll down and just go to this area which says background. Select the background. Now just reduce the height and the width of the text and then place it over the text. And now I need to reduce this opacity so that I can see the text, right? Now just adjust the size from Y and X offset so that you can see it properly. You can reduce the scale size as well if you think that it's highlighting too much of the area. Now what we can do is just add more minus so that it can cover the full area like this, and then just expand that. So let's say I want it until this point. Now let's change the background color to the text color. So how can we do that? I'll just go to the bottom, and here I will choose the same color, and let's choose the opacity to this level. Now what we will do is just go to the animation tab. I'll choose the animation from here, and from here search for wipe right, this one. So it's highlighting too fast. I want it to be slow. So just reduce the duration from the bottom area like this. Now right click here and click on create compound clip. Now again go to video and basic, and under the blend mode, I'll choose the mode as multiply. So that's done. Now let's see the final outcome. It looks perfect. If you want to reduce the duration, you can just try different duration. So guys, that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. So this is Sar signing off from today's video. Take care.